Question 1. Which human organ can regenerate even after part of it is removed? A liver, heart, a lung, a pancreas. Correct answer, liver. Question 2. Which continent has no official time zone? Australia, Antarctica, Africa, South America. Correct answer, Antarctica. Question 3. Which language is considered the fastest in terms of speech speed? Italian, Japanese, English, German. Correct answer, Japanese. Friends, please support our channel, like this video and subscribe. It really helps us keep going. Let's continue. Question 4. Which animal can sleep with one eye open?
Dolphin, horse, cat.
Jellyfish. Correct answer, dolphin. Question 5. Which country was the first to use paper money? Egypt,
India,
China,
Turkey.
Correct answer, China. Question 6. Which ocean is the youngest in geological terms? Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic. Correct answer, Atlantic. Question 7. Which fruit can float on water due to its structure?
Apple,
Banana,
pear, peach.
Correct answer, apple. Question 8. Which sea creature has the longest lifespan? Sea turtle,
Squid,
a Greenland shark, starfish. Correct answer, Greenland shark. Question 9. What was the first fruit or vegetable grown by humans in space? Strawberry, potato, a radish, tomato. Correct answer, radish. Question 10. How many bones are in the adult human body? 198, 206, 214, 223. Correct answer, 206. Question 11. Which planet in the solar system rotates in the opposite direction? Venus, Mars, Neptune.
Saturn.
Correct answer, Venus. Question 12. Which continent has no ants? Australia, Europe, Antarctica.
Asia.
Correct answer, Antarctica. Question 13. What happens if you scream in space? You'll be heard on the station. Your voice will vanish in the vacuum. It will echo. You might attract an asteroid. Correct answer. Your voice will vanish in the vacuum.